This is a demonstration of a combination of two mistakes made on the up line during a vertical roll to the left. The first mistake comes from setting my up line slightly negative. And the second mistake comes when I pull a little bit on the stick. The combination of these errors positions my left wing far above the horizon at the beginning of the roll. I will have to correct with forward stick pressure, or with a powerful aircraft I could correct with left rudder, but these will greatly increase drag.